It is my honor and privilege to every one of us here.
Having said this, I want to once again welcome the man whose constituency
Ken Ezike, and I say loss. Thank you very much. Because men to leave back and do for me the chairman of local government national rulers. And he has his secretary, who is well read. Oh, this man will have Agwamana, even a local government duty. I am what you were a doctor. I will be architect. I will be engineer. I will be doctor. I will be surveyor. The man who prefers staying abroad than home. Oh, but in the job on our airport in the UK. You say you got some of that money about the helper. Ibe, I say that, sir. God bless you. Thank you very much for coming. Ibe of Agunaeche Ibe John. Water Corporation of Enugu State, our own brother, and the son of the child. Chief Johnny is Kita. Oko. Ojokan was a boy. Also, well on now. I think
official work of chairman, traditional Rulers Council is not local government. His Royal Highness Ibe Emmanuel Obinna Omanabiago. His Royal Highness Ibe ABC Ude Ebubabuchi Manasseh. Ladies and gentlemen, the Right Honourable Speaker is here with us. Right Honourable Engineer Uche Ugo. Speaker, so you're welcome. Honorable Speaker, Enugu House of Assembly. Stay till now. You have not had time of your own, moving from one location to the other. The last time we met.
I must hear the sound. Since you never hear each other. God bless you, sir. My honorable God bless you, my brother. The gentleman. I think gentleman, oh.
The state secretary of the party will be part of those people that are going to welcome His Excellency. It has just been, I've just been informed to do that. Thank you very much.
PG. Amah autonomous. No. And the man difference is clear. The woman in the general. The woman in the general. You have to speak, you have the physique, you have the swag, everything.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you want this here with us, remember representing Kano East and West Federal Constituency. That's Honorable Nganga. Welcome to Abuja. Welcome to Uti. Welcome to Eken. Ladies and gentlemen,
Yes. These women are the state women are good to they are come to say welcome to the leader of the states. Yes, as you can see, Princess herself is enjoying it. Also, my organizer. Organizer. The Honorable Commissioner for Works, honestly, people are wonderful. Only the able. Chief, hi Chief, Mr. Nganga is coming to appreciate the more in the offer. Let's see that. And not courtesy of Agunaeche Ibe. Ibe Ambassador MC Agbozo.
the disruptive innovation governor. Your Excellency, you are welcome to Abajaland. Your Excellency, you are welcome to the local government. Your Excellency, you are welcome to Eken, the homeland of the great. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. His Excellency is soliciting for the traditional rulers. Agunaeche Ibe. Tomorrow is here. Thank you. All the music should stop. Okay, the Excellency is moving down to Commissioner to assist the announcer and the state program. Tomorrow is here.
Your Excellency, you are welcome, Saudi. And the women leaders of the state are here. And the paper they take their fun. We don't have another channel for Kushebu. Okay, man, to leave there. Your Excellency, you can see the women leaders in the state. And I'm glad you're here. Waiting. Thank you, everyone, for seeing. Every music is stop. Everyone, for seeing. That's all right there.
May we be seated. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Your Excellency,
Excellency, our dear Governor, you are welcome to the local government. You are welcome to your second home, to your home. We are happy to receive you in our midst. As you can see, our people are elated to have you in our midst. Your Excellency, you are welcome. Your Excellency, I want to thank you for founding UDI, worthy to partake in this project. Your Excellency, it may interest you that people of Enugu are wondering, how is this thing happening? But we know that you are intentional for all the projects and development you are doing in Enugu State.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Enugu State, the positive disruptor, the Speaker of Enugu State House of Assembly, the member representing Kano East and Kano West in the Green Chamber, I beg to stand on and establish protocol. So we are here to flag off the 44.8 kilometer road starting from.
gave his words in affirmation that he's going to deliver, and he will do so today. Thank you very much.
His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Enugu State, Dr. Peter Ndubisingba, the Honorable Commissioner for Works,
PDP. If you are not a member of PDP, you are missing a lot. PDP is our party. PDP from tomorrow, from today till tomorrow. You see, this party has come to stay in Enugu State. Udi and Efiago people here, I welcome you to Udi. I salute you in a special way, sir. Welcome to Udi. The Speaker of Enugu State House of Assembly.
Right Honorable Uche Ogo.
Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Enugu State, Dr. Peter Simba, we welcome you to this occasion, sir, in the local government. Your Excellency, please permit me to stand on already established protocol. Your Excellency, we the people can only say thank you because I know we believe in you. You have proven to us that you are a true leader. You are a visionary leader. You are a leader with disruptive innovation. Your Excellency, Sanse Kene ka gana enye gị nwere ihe ọzọ jisi ike n'ọlụ anyị ga na-ekpekpere gị ekpere ka Chineke na-eche gị so that we na-finish kwa with Enugu State in the next 7 years. Enugu ga-abụ obodo dị iche. Your Excellency, achọrọ m iji opportunity a gwa ndị be anyị bụ ndị Egede afa Abakume na because na mụ na gị nọ nso ọ bụrụ ụzọ niile ka ị ga-abịa commission, ị ga-abịa mee flag off. O nwere ike inye goro approval from Ohum Development Center down to Egede, all the less than 5 kilometers. Inye go instructions, CJ school boy, and I go.
PDP. PDP. Power to the people. Udi kwenu. Eziagu kwenu. Umulokpa kwenu. Excellency, the Governor of Enugu State, our own brother, Barrister Dr. Peter Amah, the Speaker of the House of Assembly of Enugu State and other members of Enugu State House of Assembly, the Chairman of local government here present, Chairman of Udi Uzowani and Eziagu, the Commissioner for Works, Enugu State, and the SPA PDI, Enugu State, other commissioners, our party leaders here from the state, local government down to the ward, and our businessmen, then our LOC contractor, the great Pharaoh. Biko ndị Igwe a na-ekene unu, ndị Town Union a na-ekenekwa unu, dịka na-ekene onye ọbụla n'ebe a. Well, this joint
Technicalities of this project. Thank you very much.
Your Excellency, our dear Governor, Dr. Peter Simba, so you're welcome to my zone. The Speaker, Enugu.
Thank you. Please sit down. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. The member representing Nkanu East and West at the National Assembly, the House of Representatives, Right Honorable Nnodim Nnaji, the Speaker, Enugu State House of Assembly, and other members of the State House of Assembly here, the Honorable Commissioner for Works and Infrastructure, and other members of the State Executive Council, special advisors, senior special assistants, our revered traditional rulers, Ekene Munu, and our woman leader and other women association and organization that are here, our party faithfuls, our youth, various community-based organizations, our president generals of the various town union, not forgetting, of course, the local government chairmen and their deputies that are here, gentlemen of the press, our invited guests, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, I am very delighted to be here again on this occasion of the flag off of the 44.8-kilometer road that would traverse 3 local governments. It would go through Udi, Eziago, and Uzowani. So we have the Amah, Eke, Oge, Iwolo, Olo, and Umulokpa. And then we have, of course, the spur that will take you from Agunaeche to the local government headquarters. I know what most of you are seeing essentially would be line of asphalt, and I can see the joy and the cheers on your faces. I'm also quite happy. But for me, I see beyond the asphalt. What I see when I do this flag off or when I go for this commissioning is that I see the $30 billion. So when you're seeing lines of asphalt, I am seeing $30 billion. I'm also seeing the eradication of poverty. I am seeing an enhanced human welfare, enhanced human capital, enhanced human development. And that is essentially what paved roads do for us. Beyond the seamless movement of people and goods, it acts as a powerful force for economic growth. And so what we're doing in Enugu State in terms of infrastructural development is quite intentional. As you heard already, yesterday we were at Obinna to flag off again another very critical and strategic road for us. We understand that if we must build our economy to the level we are proposing, $30 billion, we must not leave any part of this state behind. That growth is going to come from the peripheral. It's going to come across each local government. We're going to have our local government as major economic hubs. And in order for us to do that successfully, we must provide easy access. And that's essentially what we're here to do. The ease of movement of our produce, the ease of movement of our people, the ease of movement of goods. So what we're trying to accomplish here is to build a ring road across the state. So what you have now is running from Amah, taking you to Umulokpa, but we would also take you to Adani and connect you to Nsukka. That road is already being awarded, it's going to be done. So what you essentially have is a circle, which you can travel in less than 1 hour. You would be able to go from east to west and then to north. And that way, we can open up a lot of economic activities. And also, of course, you know our people are farmers, and we're right now trying to scale our agriculture to an industrial level. And in order to do that, we must have zero tolerance to post-harvest losses. And so the only thing that helps us solve that is making sure that we have access to our farmland. And that's essentially what we're doing. This is actually symbolic. It's symbolic because if we begin to go to flag off or break the ground of the roads we have approved for construction in Enugu West alone, you know we will do no other work because every day we will be flagging off. So we just go to each zone and flag off a symbolic road just as a symbol, but it's not a reflection of the roads we're doing. As the commissioner had mentioned, we have over 100 kilometers of road captured in the west that were constructed. And that cuts across different local government. There is no local government that is left behind. Ogbo, Aniri, Oji River, Isiago, Udi, they all covered in our plan. The approval we already got to essentially build our roads. So this is again, as I said, just symbolic because there are a whole lot that you haven't seen yet. So if you're happy that we're doing this 44.8 kilometer route, the Americans will say you ain't seeing nothing because there are quite a whole lot. But we cannot, as I said, go every day to do flag off. But we are also very mindful of time. So when we award contracts, we are quite focused on timelines and cost. So as you have already heard, in 3 months, we're back here to cut the ribbon and to commission this road. This is not going to take us more than 3 months. The contractor already knows that we have no tolerance for time overrun. So he's going to deliver as promised. On our part, we're going to make good our own part of the bargain, which means we would ensure that he's well funded. So I want to thank all of you for all the support you're giving us. This is not any far from the pledge we made to you during our campaign. And as you can see, for those who are those naysayers, those skeptics, those who didn't believe that what we committed to, we were going to deliver. You can now please go and tell them what you're seeing. Because for us, it's not just about the talk, it is also about the work. So we are working the talk. We're keeping our own part of the bargain. We would urge you that you continue to support us, support the contractor during this period of construction. As he said, there's going to be some inconveniences in our road travel, but it's only going to be for a very short period of time. And it is one that will terminate in greater pleasure. So we should all bear with the contractor. So on that note, I want to take the honor and privilege to perform this flag of ceremony by inviting the contractor and maybe some other members of the executive council. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. And mankind in general.